All right, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a macro or a VBA, which is an automated, it's a little different. There's different macros, but this is a VBA application. So you can kind of customize these to do work for you. Here we have some names and we have some training modules. And if it's red or if it's black, right? If there's data in there, so if it's red, they're missing the training. If it's black, they have the training, so they're going to be left off the sheet. We're going to create a new worksheet for each one of these training modules, and if the person is trained, they'll be left off it. So we're looking for these names here. Don, Hector, Fred, we had first aid, that'll be the first ones we're looking for. So let's go delete these. And delete. All right, so there's no worksheet, just a starting sheet. You could call this going to be called sheet one. You could name it if it's a different name, you have to name it something. Let's call it rename matrix. All right, so let's go to, we got to create some rules. So let's do the rules right here. So we are going to write a VBA code. All right, that's rule one. And then let's tell it, there could be, there's different things you could put in there. But option specific type stuff. But right now we're going to go to rule one. So create a new worksheet for each training found in row 2 in calls M through Q. Enter. If the names are in call A, in rows 3, you could say through and or varies, right? 3 through varies, in case you added names. And then if the intersecting cell is blank, then the employee needs training. If otherwise, if they need training and need to be on the list, it'll know. All right, so if, don't even need to tell it, if it, the cell contains so if it's black, then it's left off the list, just to be more specific. So let's just go ahead and grab those. Copy. I think that'll do it. Copy. Oh, if the macro is run again, then just update the sheet. Not more new ones. Probably already knows that, but, and then, oh, the name matrix. All right, so we named that sheet. And then we're just going to grab these rules. I'm just giving an idea how to go through these. Copy. You can take it into chat and paste it. Control V. Create VBA using these rules. Control V. Enter, and then let it run. Take about 60 seconds. Listen, that tier 1 tier, single tier. So you could create these, and then you could grab information from them by running a second tier to use on different sheets, right? Or you could create other sheets that would get information that would come into these, you know. So that's, there you go. There's done, right? And it's pretty. It's probably a little bit wordy for what we're doing, but let's take a look. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Excel. We're going to go Control Alt F11, and then we're going to insert a new module and hit Control V. We're pasting that macro, and then hit F5. All right, training modules created, and then we'll look at the training modules and check to see that it did. So there's matrix. First aid would be Don, Hector, Fred, and Sammy. Don, Hector, Fred, Sammy, Chuck, and Les. Chuck and Les. And then maybe just check one more. Fall protection, Stan, Chuck, Mark, and Wendy. Stan, Chuck, Mark, and Wendy, and there was 2 after that. So that's how you do it. That's pretty easy. Just create your rules, and then and you can create the rules right in here where you're working, so you can see where the cells are. You don't have to do it on a separate Word document or notebook. You can do it right here, and then copy it right in, and it knows that each one of these is a new sentence. So that's that is the essence of it. There's ways to save and work with those VBAs. Let's say when you go in here, saving them, and then opening them when you want, and running them in series. There's a lot of things you can do to manipulate them. But that is the essence of the VBA, writing a VBA, and I hope that helps you in your career. Thanks for watching.